Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can delete your comment on a TikTok video. For instance, you have made a mistake in typing and you just want to delete it. Sorry. Press the comment button over here, and for instance, I'm just going to write this looks exactly like kiwi, and exactly is not spelled like that. You're just going to press send. For instance, I have mistakenly typed in exactly like that. To delete it, you're just going to press on the comment for a few seconds and just press delete. And now you can type in the comment again. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys, even though it's super simple. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!